In the application of UV wood floor coatings, maintaining adequate viscosity is essential. If the viscosity is too low, the coating cannot achieve the desired thickness, resulting in repeated construction and affecting the progress of the project. Prepare 2 UV wood floor coating samples. One is a control sample, the other is the test sample with added HIFULL Fumed Silica. Put the 2 samples into dispersion equipment for thorough mixing. The dispersed control sample was tested using a Brookfield viscometer, revealing that its viscosity remained constant over time. Then the dispersed test sample was measured under the same conditions, and it was found that the viscosity decreased over time, eventually maintaining at about 900 cp. The plotted viscosity time curves, with both samples in the same reference chart, demonstrate that the test sample consistently exhibited significantly higher viscosity values at all measured time points compared to the control. The superior thickening and thixotropic properties of HIFULL Fumed Silica effectively address the low viscosity challenge and better enhance the construction efficiency during UV wood floor coating application.